CO2 isn't bad. We should be burning more. We should be putting more CO2 in the atmosphere.
Yeah, no, it's photosynthesis. The most renewable energy source in the world is photosynthesis.
They've just manipulated this, and they've done it through schools and universities, and they've really played on the guilt and morals of people as well. It's like, oh, if you don't speak pro-climate, then you're a climate denier, you're anti-human, you're anti-earth, all this sort of stuff, and they really prey on that.
You don't even need to be like a scientist. Newton's third law of motion is basically for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Yeah, I know that, yep.
They're arguing an extra 100 parts per million. 100 parts per million is 1 part per 10,000. Yep, so they're saying an extra 1 molecule of CO2 can heat up 10,000 surrounding N2O2 molecules by 1 degree. So in order for one molecule to give 10,000 other molecules 1 degree of energy, it's got to be 10,000 degrees. Right, it can't do that. The temperature of the sun's 5,700 degrees. CO2 is 1.5 times heavier, so it's only got to be 6,600 degrees, but that's still hotter than the sun. It actually defies the laws, and gases are bad conductors of heat. But when they say heat is trapped, yet again, this is another one of these statements, right? The temperature is just a measure of how fast molecules move. The hotter it gets, the faster molecules move, right? If you're traveling at 100 kilometers, it's not the speed that gets trapped, it's the vehicle.
Yeah.
You can't trap heat. Heat's a measure of energy, right? Energy is motion. Like the greenhouse gas effect, the greenhouse is a solid. A gas is a gas, right? Gases and solids, you're taught in grade 8, have different properties. You know, if I asked in estimates if I could have a look at the model by which they calculated net zero.
They don't let you have it?
Well, Larry Marshall feeding it to me, he said, well, which model do you want? There's 40 different models. So yet again, you can't even agree on the way in which you're going to measure this stuff. Why should we trust you at all?